All right, let's get started with today's show. Our top story today is the Mac Mini, the M2 and the M2 Pro chips. So two different kinds. Just the M2 one is something that I absolutely love. What a price point. So new ports, more connections, fantastic performance, both the Pro as well, just the M2. You can juggle multiple files. You can use this as literally your desktop workstation. The price point start off at about 59,000 rupees. Here's our review. You can already make out I'm totally in love with this brand new generation of Mac Minis.
Apple's compact desktop, the Mac Mini, is back and is now powered with Apple's latest processors, the M2 and the M2 Pro chips. This tiny yet powerful desktop has a lot to offer, but is it worth an upgrade? Or is it worth a buy? Especially for those who are not part of the Apple ecosystem. Or which chip to choose? Let's dive in and find out. The Mac Mini has a slim and elegant design similar to its predecessor. It is lightweight, easily portable, safe to keep anywhere in your house without it standing out like a sore thumb. It's a 7.7-inch square frame in size and doesn't have much on it except a few ports on the back. There are 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, along with an HDMI port, 2 USB-A ports, a headphone jack, and a 10 GB Ethernet port. With the Thunderbolt 4, you can transfer 40 GB of data per second, and with the HDMI, you can unlock up to 8K video output. The ports can also be used to charge devices or to connect additional monitors. The desktop also has a vent in the bottom to avoid heating issues. Don't let the size fool you, because though it looks small, it is a giant in terms of power, especially with the next generation chips. For our review, we will be focusing on an M2 Pro chip variant. This model comes with a 12-core CPU and a 19-core GPU, making it extremely powerful. If you do buy the regular M2 variant, you will have the 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU instead, which isn't bad. The performance and efficiency is still off the charts, but the Pro definitely gives it an extra bump. The M2 Pro pushes the Mac Mini to the next level with over 40 billion transistors, twice the amount of the M2 regular chip. Why does this matter? Because more transistors equal more electric signals being passed, which leads to a better flow. In layman's words, the M2 Pro can easily handle a large project or game and can seamlessly juggle between large files and softwares, including 8K footage. So whether you are gaming, designing, or even editing, the experience is fast, fun, and fulfilling. It also, for the very first time, has Wi-Fi 6E for the best internet experience. Your online journey will be better than ever. We are looking forward to Apple increasing the storage capacity because its highest variant offers 512 GB, which is a lot, but not enough for today's TV generation. Being a desktop, the biggest letdown is its lack of portability, but it is plugged in and wins on the battery end. So if you are someone who doesn't need to move around for work, this Mac Mini is definitely your best bet, especially at the cost of Rs 59,900 for its lowest M2 variant, which is cheaper than the M1 Mac Mini. You can get better performance at a cheaper cost. If you are looking to buy the most powerful Mac Mini, the M2 Pro chip model is your front runner. It comes at the cost of Rs 1,29,900 rupees, which is not the cheapest but is affordable at its power and capacity level. We are curious to see how it scores against the best gaming desktops, so do keep an eye out for that.